Welcome to the Health Sketchpad. This content is for educational purposes only and is not a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult your physician. Every single day, your body is under attack, from the bacteria on a doorknob to the virus from a sneeze. Trillions of germs are trying to get in. But you have an incredible defense force working 24/7 to protect you, your immune system. Welcome to the Health Sketchpad. I'm Dr. AB, and today we're going behind the scenes on a journey through your body's amazing security system. Think of your body as a castle. Your first line of defense is the physical barrier, the castle walls. This includes your skin, which is like a strong brick wall, and your mucous membranes, the lining of your nose, throat, and lungs, which are like sticky moats that trap invaders. A sneeze or a cough, that's just your castle guards forcefully expelling intruders. If a germ gets past the walls, it's met by your rapid response team, the innate immune system. These are the patrol guards already inside the castle. Key players are macrophages, big eaters that swallow invaders whole. They also send out alarm signals, calling for backup. This causes inflammation, the redness and swelling you see, which is like raising the alarm and sending more blood and guards to the area. For really tough invaders, your body deploys its elite special forces, the adaptive immune system. This team is smarter but slower. It involves two key agents, B cells and T cells. B cells are your weapons factory. They produce antibodies, custom-made missiles that latch onto a specific germ, marking it for destruction. T cells are the special ops soldiers that directly seek out and destroy your body's own cells that have been infected. Here's the most brilliant part. After the battle is won, your special forces don't all disband. Some become memory cells. These cells remember every single germ they've ever defeated. If that same germ tries to invade again years later, these memory cells activate a response so fast and powerful that you might not even get sick. This is the principle behind vaccines, safely introducing a wanted poster of a germ to your immune system so it's ready for the real thing. So, let's recap. Your skin and mucous membranes are the castle walls. Macrophages are the patrol guards that cause inflammation. B cells and T cells are the special forces that make targeted antibodies and destroy infected cells. And memory cells provide lifelong protection. It's a complex, beautiful system working tirelessly to keep you healthy. Your immune system is incredible, and you can support it with healthy habits. If you enjoyed this journey inside your body, share this video with a friend. Subscribe to the Health Sketchpad for more simple explanations that empower your health. Stay well.